Dear the students of class 6, I would like to welcome all of you in homeschooling program organized by National Ideal English Version School with my Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teachers of Mathematics Day Shift. I hope all you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Now the students, let us start our today's class. Our today's topic, simple equation. At first, we want to know what is equation. A mathematical sentence associated with an unknown or variable, operational sign and equality sign is called an equation. Here 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 is an equation. Here x is a variable. In chapter 4, we have learned what is variable. In this chapter, after solving the equation, we will find out the value of variable. Minus is a operational sign and equality sign also exists. That means 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 is an equation. Now, we will solve one CQ from this chapter from chapter 5. Before solving the CQ, I want to discuss about some basic concept related to this chapter. Here you are watching a mathematical sentence. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Here left hand side is 7 plus 3. If we add 7 and 3, then it will be 10. That means left hand side 10 and right hand side also 10. That means this mathematical sentence is true sentence. If we add any number in the both side of this mathematical sentence, then what will be occur? If we add 2, then 7 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. Value of this 7 plus 3 is equal to 12 and 10 plus 2 is equal to also 12. That means this is also a true sentence. That means we can say that if we add same number in the both side of a true mathematical sentence, then obtained mathematical sentence also will be true. Similarly, if we subtract same number from both sides of a mathematical sentence, then the obtained mathematical sentence also will be true. If we multiply both sides of a mathematical sentence by same number, then obtained mathematical sentence also will be true. If we divide the two sides of a mathematical sentence by same number, then the obtained mathematical sentence also will be true. Here equation is also a mathematical sentence. So in case of equation, we can say that we can add same number in both sides. We can subtract same number from both sides. We can multiply both sides by same number. We can divide both sides by same number. Okay. Now we will solve CQ question. CQ. Here two equation given. 5 minus x is equal to 11, one equation, and another equation 7x minus 2 is equal to x plus 16 are two simple equations. First question is, what is the simple equation? What is simple equation? The equation having variable of degree 1 is called a simple equation. Here 3x minus 5 is the equation. Here variable is x and power or index of x is 1. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 10 is a simple equation. Now we will solve B number question. B number question, solve the equation 1. Here equation 1 is 5 minus x. Given equation 5 minus x is equal to 11. We have to find out the value of variable. That means we have to find out the value of x. Now at first we will subtract 5 from both sides. If we subtract 5 from left side, then it will be 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. That means only minus x will be exist. And 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. In right side only 6 will be exist. Now we have already found the value of minus x, but we have to find out the value of x. Now, if we multiply minus x by minus 1, then we can get x. But if we multiply minus x by minus 1 at the same time, we have to multiply 6 by minus 1 also. That means we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. Now, minus x multiplication minus 1 is equal to 6 multiplication minus 1. Then minus 6 multiplication minus 1, minus minus plus, and x ones are x, and 6 minus 1s are minus 6. Therefore, the root of equation is minus 6 and answer is minus 6. Now, we will solve C number question. Solve the equation 2 and verify the correctness of the equation. At first, we will solve equation 2. 7x minus 2 is equal to x plus 16. Then we will verify our answer is correct or not. First, we will solve the equation. Here the given equation is 7x minus 2 is equal to x plus 16. At first, we will add 2 in both sides. That means plus 2 and plus 2 will come in both sides. Now, 7x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So, only 7x will come in left side, and 16 plus 2 is equal to 8, x plus 18 in right hand side. Now, we will subtract x from both sides. So, 7x minus x is equal to x plus 18 minus x. Now, if we subtract x from minus x, then it will be 6x, and minus x plus x is equal to 0. So, in right side only 18 will come. We have already found the value of 6x, but we have to find out the value of x. So, if we divide this 6x by 6, then we can get x. But at the same time, we must have to divide right side also by 6. That means we have to divide both sides by 6. Now, 6x divided by 6 is equal to 18 divided by 6. Here, if we divide 6x by 6, then it will be x, and if we divide 18 by 6, then it will be 3. That means the value of x is 3. Now, we will verify, is it correct or wrong? We put the value of x in both sides, in left hand side and in right hand side. If the value of left hand side and right hand side is same, then we can say that our solution is correct. Now, at first, left hand side is equal to 7x minus 2. Now, 7 multiplication, value of x is 3. So, minus 2, 7 3s are 21, minus 2, and 21 minus 2 is equal to 19. That means the value of left hand side is 19. Now, we will find out the value of right hand side. Right hand side is x plus 16. Value of x is 3, 3 plus 16, and 3 plus 16 is equal to 19. That means value of right hand side also 19. We are watching that value of right hand side 19 and value of left hand side also 19. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means we can say that our solution is correct. Now, the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's topic. Practice more and more at home. Stay at home. Obey your parents' order. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.